some tips on how to improve your memory power. I used to conduct workshops before, and this topic will be lasting for more than close to 8 hours. So we are conducted in many schools and colleges. If at all any person wants me to conduct a program, you can contact me, and I'll be doing a program there in your school or colleges. First of all, let us understand how our brain stores information. Our brain stores all the informations in the form of pictures. What you have studied yesterday. But I do know that you will never forget the movie what you saw last week. Am I right? Why? Because that was in audio visual. So our brain stores all the informations in the visual form. That's the main thing. Many times we try to memorize things. Many times we try to mug up and we say, I'm not able to retain it. I'm not able to remember that. You know why? Because you are programming your brain in the wrong way. But instead of that, if you can program your brain through pictures, everything will change. Okay, I'm sorry, this doesn't work with Max. Okay, this works more with text. Okay, so this is very, very important. So whatever you want to remember, try to remember in the visual forms. Second, on concentration. Many people say I am having a problem with concentration. I'm not able to concentrate. Okay, they say like I sit for some time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or maybe half an hour. After half an hour, I'm physically present there, but mentally I'm absent. Okay. So how can I have concentration? Very simple. I'll give you one technique called pen technique. The best way to increase your concentration is take a pen, okay, and keep sliding on the words, word by word, keep on sliding. So what actually happens is, as the pen moves, your eye will start moving towards on the pen, okay, and try to try to move the pen faster. When you move the pen faster, similarly, your eyes will also move faster, okay. What we have found out is your speeding capacity, your reading speed also will increase. And one more tip which I want to give you. This is called instant energy. This technique is called 1-4-2 technique. It's a ratio. Okay. So 1 is inhale, 4 is hold, 2 is exhale. So what actually happens is when you breathe in, you are inhaling a lot of oxygen also. And when you're holding for 4 counts, okay, you are actually all the oxygen is being pumped to your blood vessels. And when you exhale after that, in 2 counts, so there are some oxygen left in your blood vessels. So what actually happens is there are more of oxygen in your blood, and because of which you feel the energy. And you can repeat it maybe 2 to 3 times consistently. Okay, so when you keep on doing this, you can just see the energy change also. And this is a very, very, very powerful technique. Distractions of the TV, distractions of the mobile, distractions of various other friends circle. Let us imagine you are continuing the same way. You're busy with your own friend circle, you're busy with your own TV programs, you're busy with your own activities. Okay, and you're scoring very less marks. Let us imagine after 10 to 15 years, if you're continuing the same way, where will you be? Will you be on the top or will you be at the bottom? Obviously not on the top. Okay. Just imagine one of your classmates, one of your friend who was studying with you, who was sitting next to you, is your boss. I'm talking about after 20 years. And in the same company, the same organization, you are working below him in a junior level, in a lower level. How will you feel? If at all you want to change, when you should change? After 20 years or now? When? Now, right? Yes. So if you are serious and if you say that, okay, I definitely want to change, but still I have some issues. I have a problem with some subjects. I have some problem with my concentration. I have some problem with my memory power. I'm struggling hard. I'm working hard and still I'm not able to come out of this. Yes, and that's where we help people.